We have just finished filming Running with Rain. Chloe's been perfect, Paige has been perfect, Megan has been perfect, Callum's not here but he's been a fucking diamond. And that horse there is a freaking star. So we are about to sing One Direction. Are you ready? Do you want me to get it? Oh, you got it. Right, come on then, Megatron.
I don't even know.
Oh, I just want to take you anywhere that you would like. We can go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there, take you there. Baby, I'll take you there, there. Shush, wait, this is some good. Wait, let me just film Flick for a second. Turn it off for 1 second.
Wait.
Shut up. Honestly. Okay, let's carry on jamming to One Direction. I just wanted that looked cute. Play. You need to shout. Oh, we're falling. Shout it out, yeah. You want me to.
Wait, you have to do the in-betweeners dance. Go.
Oh yeah. Well, we're not touching.
This is example.
That's not. What? There's been a technical difficulty.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Wait, I need to ring my dad and get him to pick us up. We'll do that after this. Oh, baby. Oh shit! The way that you like, you can go out any day, any night. Flicky, I'll take you there, take you there. Flicky, I'll take you there.
Just dropped my phone.
Oh, she's dropped her phone.
And it's there, back of feet. You can
Get anything that you want. Shout it out, Louis, do shout it out, yeah. And if you want me to, let's make a love. So tell me, Paige, if every time we touch, you get this kind of rush. Baby, say yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. And you just wanna take me. She's like, shut up. Yeah, yeah.
She replied.
And let me kiss you. Da 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 da. Don't you know you got what I need? Looking so good from your head to your feet. Oh, I'm leaving my camera off for a bit.
Oh,
Whoa.
I just want to show you what's